Okay, so in this set of videos, we're going to be going through a much more complex widget build. I'm going to be showing you how to make a masked over slider bar, which we're going to use essentially as a display for a health bar or a fuel bar or anything else that would display that kind of value. So to start with, we're going to build up our widget from a new blueprint. I'm going to call this masked slider bar. And the basic part of this is going to be slider bar, and we don't need a canvas for this one, so we're just going to set the slider to be the root of our widget. In this particular instance, I'd like it to be a vertical bar, and we're going to set our widget preview size to 600 square. So there we've got our basic elements in place already. Just compile that up. Now, obviously this doesn't do much if we want to make a circular shaped bar. So we're going to have to do a bit of editing with this one. So, to begin with, this is going to be a display only bar. So, we don't need a handle at all. Because of that, I'm going to set handle color to full alpha, then come on down here to the style and set its image size to 0. And this stops us getting indents at the edges of the bar for where the handle would normally sit. Then we're going to stretch out our bar thickness to cover the whole of the widget and save that again. Now, the complexity of this widget comes from the fact that we're going to be using a two-color shader to give our shader bar different colors for the filled section and the unfilled section. So to do this, we're going to be creating and applying a material to our slider bar.